Hello, in this video I want to show you how to control a recoil with Lewis gun in the finals. And to do this, first we'll need to shoot at the wall just to show you the recoil pattern. And it looks like this. Then we'll need to shoot basically as this pattern was shown, so that means we'll need to pull our mouse to the bottom for first few rounds, then pull your mouse to the left for the next few rounds, pull your mouse to the right for the next few rounds, and then keep at it. So let's try it out. And that's how you keep your recoil on this gun. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.